What is the controller? Kiran, what is controller? What is controller? Kiran, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah. What is controller, Kiran? Hello.
Estimate the load.
Sorry. Sorry.
Help of controller in application.
Help of controller.
Hello.
What help of controller? Didn't get.
Controller means we can monitor the documentation and updating and something related to scripting, I think.
See, controller is a first day class. Controller like load runner components. What is controller? I explained from the same class minimum 3-4 times. So just what you understand, right? Actually, what is controller? As per your understand.
So preparing the documentation according to the given.
No, in controller you don't prepare the document, right? You can prepare the report from the analyzer, not here. Then what is controller? Manish? You guys practice is not doing well. Even what we discussed as of now, that is also you guys is not doing anything. Babu, what is controller? Babu? Babu, na? You guys only time pass you are attending classes. Hello. Kamlesh? Hi, Kamlesh. What is controller, Kamlesh? Are doing guys? Very simple question I am asking.
For testing the load scenarios.
For testing the load scenario. Okay, somewhat
Load
will be somewhat will be
runner.
okay.
So load
Yeah.
runner scenarios we can test by using the controller.
What scenarios?
So what we have done from the web tour, like from the given script.
So using that script,
Create
what you are doing here?
Yeah, that's analyzing what is the according to that.
No.
control
Yes.
create virtual user and execute the test with
Not create controller, nothing but we can design the scenario nothing but how many users we want to execute and how much duration we can execute. We need to design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view we are using for the controller. Single word line. We can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view we are using for the controller. Right? This class we are explained from the maximum 3-4 class times we are explained from the same components, controller, all things. Okay, you guys will be very zero knowledge. How you will get job, I don't know. The previous batch, tomorrow class, what I can teach, right? They will prepare and they will ready with that. But you guys will be like starting classes. What I told, right? Everything you will forget. How you guys can get a job? Tell me. You don't know from the basic also. If you enter company as a client interview will be there. They will ask questions. See, nowadays there is no proxies also not going. Yourself, you need to prepare and you need to get the job. Otherwise, you are never get job. You depend anyone like anything proxy or anything, you didn't get job. So yourself, you need to prepare and yourself, you need to went to the interview and you need to crack. You're almost completed from the load runner. You guys will be just basic also you don't know from the everyone. Not only one person, everyone. Here very simple straight answers, single line words. Okay. So controller nothing but we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple as a point of view. We can use the controller. So means what are the scripts we are developed from the user? That script we can push into the controller and how many users we want to execute, how much duration we want to execute, and that point of view we are using from the controller. So once you can push this script controller, you are able to see the like this. Otherwise, you want to add any other scenario also using here also you can select that and you can add also we can do it. Okay. So if for example you want to for this, you can add this also. See controller, one more calculator script is added and as of now one user. Okay. So for here we have the schedule by scenario will be there, schedule by group will be there. What is the schedule by scenario? what is the schedule by group. So like when we can choose this, when you are doing for the execution, when we can choose schedule by scenario, schedule by group. For example, for this all scenarios, 10 users you are executing. Okay, means all users will be same number of quantity, nothing but number of virtual users, and each script is a ramp up and duration and ramp down also same. So means all the scripts behave like a one scenario and having like one ramp up, ramp down, and duration. That is okay, schedule by scenario. So that is the schedule by scenario. Schedule by group. See, you can select from the schedule by group. Each script will be different ramp up, different duration, different ramp down. So if you select this, this is the different, means when you are like users will be different and ramp up, ramp down will be different, and the duration also if you want anything different, then you need to go to the schedule by group. Okay, like each script will be you want to execute different way, then you need to select from the schedule by group. And here we have the two run modes will be there: real world schedule, basic schedule. If you select from the real world schedule, multiple ramp up, multiple ramp downs you want, you can select from the real world schedule. Okay, otherwise basic schedule. So what is the basic schedule? Nothing but so single ramp up, nothing but this is the single ramp up, single duration, single ramp down. Call it as a basic schedule. If you select this, okay, yes, and schedule by group, then you can observe each scenario will be different. You are able to see this. So like this. So means only you will get from the single ramp up, single ramp down duration you will get if it is a basic schedule. If you select from the real world schedule, you want means we can add from the multiple ramp up, ramp downs also we can add. So clear this scenario, schedule by scenario, schedule by group, basic schedule, real world schedule. So we'll come to the here. We have the start users will be there. Start users nothing but you need to give from the number of users, how many users you want to test for this particular scenario, which is schedule we are given schedule by group, means each script will be we need to give from the different users, is you can provide from the different users also. And here this is the ramp up, like 10 users, every 2 users ramp up with the like 0.5 second. That is the ramp up. And you can go with the duration, like you can give from the 1 hour duration means you can give 1 hour, 8 hours means you can give from the 8 hours. So based on for the number of duration, you can give from the, this is the test execution time duration. And the stop users nothing but ramp down. So every 2 users will be ramp down from the 0.5 second. So means we need to design the scenario like this. So now we are designing the one scenario like this. And next scenario already you are design completed. So you can observe this is the second scenario. Again, same way. Go to here and select from the ramp up every 0. Okay. And you can give from the duration, like how much duration you want to execute. Run for the 5 minutes. You can give. See, it is designed. And stop condition also. Stop condition means ramp down every 2 users, every 5 seconds. Okay. And here. So here also you want to design same every 10 users, every user already design is completed. Now all scripts design is completed. So which base we can take ramp up, ramp down means I will explain. Okay. So go to here and you can observe. Before doing this execution, right? Already we know the NFR, right? NFR nothing but non-functional requirements. There we have to what kind of testing we can do. The all things will be there, right? Where is one minute? I will open NFR and I will show you that. Already I shared, right? Everyone also NFR. You guys say available or not? What you are doing? I am asking question. No one is giving answer also.
You given this test plan,
No, I
performance test plan
provided
doc.
work. Yeah, in the document only I provided workload model also.
I think it's not there.
No, I send in group. See, already will explain. See, this is the just scripts. These are the scripts. These are the users. Okay. And test timelines. This one and architecture and API flow. Forward details. Test plan also we have, right? Yeah, this is the NFR and workload model and API value, and this is the important thing. So we need to do from the what kind of test? Baseline, peak load, spike test, stress test. One release we have, we need to do for this all kind of test. So how many scripts you are developed? So all execution you need to do from the this many. Okay. So means before, if you are coming to the execution means before only we know from the like, okay, these are the scenarios. Yeah, 10 scripts we need to execute. So this is the each like baseline users. Okay, this one script is a 24, 20 like this from the number of users. And this is the peak load users. So you can know these all things. We can like as per this plan, we can prepare the test. Okay. So for example, we'll take this test, baseline test assume. Total will be how many users? 208 users. So now we can go to the notepad. Baseline test. How many users? 208 users. So this you need to do from the what test? Baseline test. So we know the users, then that is fine. Now what is our duty? So you need to design the scenario like all 10 scripts. So point wise we can write all 10 scripts. For example, you are pushed in controller. Okay. And second step, what we can do? We can design the scenario. We can design the scenario. So design the scenario means what? So you need to select from the schedule by scenario or schedule by group. See, you can see this, right? So every script will be same users or different. Same or different?
Different.
So different means we can select from the schedule by scenario or schedule by group.
Schedule by group only.
Yes, good. Schedule by group. So means now we are decide from the schedule by group. Okay. So then is fine. Next step, what we need to like number of users. Like how many users you want to execute. Users how many?
208.
208. Okay, that is fine. And next step, ramp up. Nothing but starting users. Ramp up. And next, duration. And next,
Ramp down.
ramp down. Okay, so now ramp down. How to we can divide the ramp down means? So each script will be different means you can these 24 users also you need to give from the 24 users ramp down. Okay. Otherwise, we can design from the, for example, 208 from the one script only can assume. Now we can design the our ramp up, duration, and ramp down. Okay. So now you can see here ramp up. How to we can design this means see ramp up will be you need to complete from the within the 2 minutes. Same ramp down also we need to do from the within the 2 minutes. Duration. So coming to the our NFR. So test scenarios we have, right? See, you can observe we have this is the spike test, stress test, and peak test. Others all we can do. So for here, like first will be baseline test and peak load test and spike and stress and soak test. So this is the test. This is the users. So for example, baseline is the 208 users. And you can go here in workload model. You can see the number of users also. See here. This is the baseline users. How many? 208. And assume to the peak load is there. Peak load users how many? 228. So 228. So this is the we can consider as a 1x load. 1x. Spike means peak load into 3x. And stress nothing but 6x load. And again soak test 1x load. So see we can round figure it. Okay, 230 this. Okay, into 3 means how much it will come? Into 3.
690. 690.
690. Into 6. For this into 6. 13.
1380.
1380. Soak text again 1x means again 230. So means we need to design the each scenario based on this number of users. So first will be no for these two, and these two will be we can calculate it. Now we need to perform the one by one. Now 208 users, and duration also we have. So duration. So usually we can do from the 1 hour from the baseline, and peak also we can do 1 hour, and spike also 1 hour, and stress also we can do from the, this is the fixed timings from the everywhere, and soak test we can do from the 18 to 24 hours, 18 to 24 hours. Okay, so this is the kinds of test we need to perform. Okay, so based on that, now we know the baseline test duration how much? 1 hour. Now again we can move to the here 1 hour. 1 hour. Now total users will be how many? 208 users. So we can, what I told, ramp up should be within the 2 minutes I told. So you can giving from the every, okay, uh, like 40 users, every 40 users ramp up every 10 seconds. So ramp up time how much? Final, then what is the ramp up time? Every 40 users ramp up every 10 seconds. Means every 10 seconds will be 40 users will be come. So we'll round figure also we can do if you are like confusing. So 40 users. 40 users by 2000 by 200 by 40 means how many? 5. 5 times, right? 200 by 40 means
Right.
5. 5 into 10. How much?
50 seconds.
50
50.
seconds. 50 seconds. So we need to calculate from the like this. Maybe if you take from the, this is the 50. Every 50 users ramp up every 10 seconds. Then how much time it will happen? Yes.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
40 seconds. Because 200 by 50 means 4 into 10, 40 seconds.
40.
40 seconds. Means this is the within 2 minutes only. Means, okay, you can do from this guy. This is also fine. But you can, within the 40 seconds, you are pushed this much load. So all users will be do for the executions. Somewhat will be slow, means you can try with the every 25 users. For example, you are just, we are doing from